Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you why sometimes you can find your Riso is printing blank pages. This was my first experience, but what I saw is something simple. I find the master. You see this master? I don't know what happened, but this master, it was sticked on a page like this. So whenever someone was printing, instead of copying things on the master, I don't know, the paper went to the drum and sticked together with the master. So now that what happened is like it couldn't, whenever I make copies, it was coming blank, blank, blank. You understand? So when I took out the master, this master, it was something simple, of which I didn't know. Took out the master which was sticking on here, then that issue is gone. So I can even make you some 10 copies. You're gonna see everything is fine. But this is something maybe you might find. Yeah, check your drum. This is how you check your drum. You open here, you press here. Sometimes if you don't press, it will come out. Analyze your master. If on the master there is nothing like a paper on top of it, then just know that you find, because these, you can see these wordings on what the master does, copy all the images and sticks it here. The machine put the image here. So whatever the paper comes, just copy things from here, then it sticks on the paper. That's the thing. So but if you find your master has a paper on top like this, it had the paper sticked on here. So that's the reason why it was not printing. Yeah, well, after that, also one of the things you're going to do when you find issues with your Riso, what you have to do first of all, you take out this guy and you take out this master, right? It's one of the masters. Then the second step, you have to press here. See, you can press here, and this comes down. Then you clean nicely those rollers. Clean them nicely. Let them be not with any ink or anything. So in most cases, that could cause some other related issues. But mine, it was a paper sticked on top of that. So put it back. So I'm working at a school in Johannesburg CBD. You can see we're in the CBD down here. So, but I'm done with that work. So this machine is a Riso RZ 200 EP. But it could happen that you have a different machine and then you're facing the same issue. So try, because even the first papers were coming, not even coming like this before I took it. It was blank, blank, blank. You get me? So I think, guys, that's the issue we were facing. But the machine is working nicely. So I also, please check into my videos. You might find that I got a couple of videos also. I got a couple of videos on Riso on some other errors. You get me? So, but now this is okay. And if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment box below. I'm trying to, yeah. Okay, this is where I work when they call me. This is a school, so they just call me. These are your inks. These are masters. So they even changed the masters. They couldn't know that what was going on. The paper was sticking there. So this means that it was also difficult for the machine to pick up. What? To also pick up. Let me take the dustbin. To take another master. So it was an issue, big issue. But now everything is fine. The school's gonna go on, and yeah. So I'm saying, guys, we are done. But in most also machines like this, you must clean the machine inside, everywhere on the whatever you see it's dirty. You can use thinners to clean. I'm trying to take off this. Yeah, you can use thinners to clean. Yeah, you can use thinners to clean that. So once all is done, then you're fine. So, well, that is okay. I also work with HP, Canon, Epson, Rico. I guess you've seen some of our videos. If you didn't, go there, you learn a couple of things. Also, may I learn from you guys. And if you find that the solution here, you got a different thing, not the one I gave you in the video, please make a video and post it so that the community gets helped in that way. So, so once that is okay, then everything's gonna be fine. Everybody's gonna be happy because you're helping a lot of people to do a lot of things. Yeah, well, my job is done, so let me walk down. I wanna call somebody. We're going to test. One of the guys who operates these machines. I'm going to test with him. Huh? Yeah, guys, someone was asking me some questions. Yeah, he's the guy I'm looking for. He's here. Sir, how are you? I'm fine. Yeah, I'm done. Let's go test. Let's go test. I'm done. Yeah, well, guys, I'm going to conclude the video. I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah.